Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a new series that I want to start doing on my channel. It's nothing new. I actually got this idea from ALLIE GLINES. I will be linking her YouTube channel on my description box. So if you guys are interested, definitely check her out. I've just recently started watching her videos and I've really enjoyed it. So she definitely gave me this idea to do this video. It's going to be full makeup of no new makeup. For this video, I am going to be using old products that I've had in my collection, especially the eyeshadow palettes. That is a product that I invest in a lot, so I really feel like there are so many new launches every day that's constantly coming out, and we just kind of once we buy something and we've used it up, we just kind of you know, push it to the side and try the new things. So I definitely want to start doing a series or something like this where I just use old makeup. I definitely use old eyeshadow palettes that I've had before. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, I will be incorporating no new makeup on here, and it's just going to be makeup that you've seen before, and I just want to continue using it, you know. So yeah, I'm really excited to do this, and I hope you guys are too. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I've already done my foundation. I've used the Hourglass Vanish Stick foundation, and then I did my brows as well, and I got on the Cabral. That's always my favorite one, the Cabral, and the Precisely My Brow. I actually really like the smaller one better because I feel like I can have more control of it. Alright, so we are going way back and we are going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. So this is one of the very few palettes that I got when I just started out my YouTube channel. And actually in my makeup journey in general, like this is one of my palettes. And so I really wanted to create this series because I really want to just go back and start using some old palettes that I have. Like I just see all my old palettes and I feel like I just don't go back to it as much as I should be. So I feel like this is a good way to just go ahead and use some old palettes again, and just some old makeups in general, you know. So there's just so many stuff coming out, so it's just really hard to keep up, honestly. Let's go ahead and jump in with this shade right here, Salted Caramel. Of course, this is a favorite transition shade, and that is going, oh my gosh, look how pigmented that is. Yeah, this is what I forgot. This is like a really good palette. I really like this one. But so far, I really do enjoy the palettes. I really do like the brand. And I want to go into Hot Chocolate. It's been raining like crazy for the past 2 days. So I'm just not about that life. Like I want the sun back. So that is the color on my eyes. I actually really want to make it a little bit darker, so I am going into Triple Fudge over here. Just going to darken it up. Going back into Salted Caramel, and I am going to add that on the crease. Just always want that shade to be visible. Going into a Gilded Ganache, this green shade over here. Actually going into this little Block Party eyeshadow from Dose of Colors. I have not used these in a while, but this is in the shade Shall We Dance. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that, like right on the top of this. And I really just love Wow, that's totally transformed this. It's just so glittery and gorgeous. That is the eyes, and we are going on to the concealer. We have our Too Faced Born This Way concealer, one of my ultimate fave. Definitely not a new product. Alright, and then we are going in with, of course, the Marc Jacobs Nothing New at All, my Marc Jacobs bronzer. We are going to add this onto the cheek. And for blush, we are going in with the Flower Pots from Flower Beauty. And this is in the shade Peach Primrose. It was definitely a fave that I used way before and I've stopped using. But I'm bringing it back. Love this Hourglass powder. You can definitely hear the wind out there. It's crazy right now. I've been into the Gilded Ganache shade, this green shade up here. That is going on to the lower lash line. It's a little bit darker than it is in the pan. I wish it has more of that shade when I apply it, but it is pretty dark. Alright, lashes, nothing new. My House of Lashes Iconics are going to be the lashes that I am using. Add my lashes on to my eyes. Alright, I am almost to the finish line. For lashes, we are going way back into the Mirror Luminizer highlighter. We are going to add some of this onto the cheekbones. This is the OG. Some on the nose. Lips, we are finishing off with the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed. It was one of the earlier lipstick that, the liquid lip that Kylie came out with. And it looked gorgeous on her, so I had to get it. And that is one gorgeous new shade. Finishing off with my Lancome Fix It and Forget It setting spray. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed what you see. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I really want to start making like a series out of this. Yeah, it would be really cool to just dive back into some old products. So yeah, stay tuned for videos, more videos like this. If you like them, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you all leave, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.